So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate all your WhatsApp conversation for mental support. And if you're a psychologist, you can use this AI agent. I have created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow, and we are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, so I have sent this message, hey, I am not feeling well, I'm feeling low. So now let's wait for the response, what my AI is going to respond to the question. So here it says, I'm really sorry to hear that you are feeling low. It's okay to feel this way. Would you like to talk about what's been on your mind, or would you prefer some self-care tips? So I'll go with the self-care tips. I'll ask for the self-care tips. Send me some tips. I'm going to send this message and we are going to wait for the reply. We are going to receive some tips. And here it is, it has sent me this self-care tips. So practice gratitude, get moving, connect with someone, mindfulness or meditation, limit social media, engage in a hobby, sleep well. So I'll say, this is a lot to do. Please provide one tip only. How can I stop my overthinking? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. After this, I'm going to ask for the appointment of a doctor. So here it says, absolutely a simple tip to stop overthinking is to set a time limit. Allow yourself just 5-10 minutes to think about whatever is in your mind, then move on to another activity. This can help prevent you from getting stuck in a loop of thought. Remember, you are doing great by seeking help. So I'll say, could you book an appointment? What doctors are available? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me the list of the psychiatrist and the clinical psychologist, and then we have the therapist and the wellness coach. So let's say I want to book appointment with wellness coach. Is there online session available? I'm going to send this message now. Let's wait for the reply. So here it says, yes, you can book an online session with this doctor. You can visit this given link. So I'm provided a link. So I have added a dummy link while creating this AI agent, and it has redirected me towards that link. And choose your preferred time slot. You will receive instant confirmation via WhatsApp and email. If you need any assistance, just let me know. So here you see that I'm asking some general questions about my mental health and it is getting answered. And if I ask for the appointment of doctors, then I'm receiving the complete details. And if I ask for the appointment, then I'm receiving the booking link. So this is how my AI agent has automated all my WhatsApp conversation. And now if you also want to learn how you can do this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create an AI agent for mental health support and to book the appointment of the doctors. For this, I've created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. You can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp using this WhatsApp Connect, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to get the step-by-step process, you can check out the link given in the description and connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account. On the left-hand side, where you can see all these options, we have the inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. We have created dedicated and detailed video on all of the features of this Pabbly Chatflow, the link to which is available in our description. You can check that out. Now, to create an AI agent, we have to go towards this AI assistant on the left hand side. So I'm going to open this. So here we have landed towards this AI assistant. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. Over here I have this AI assistant which are active on some chat. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this add AI assistant, and let's name this AI assistant as MindCare AI, your 24/7 mental health companion. I'm going to click on this add AI assistant. Here I've landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this AI assistant. Now over here on the top you can see all these options, and we need to fill in all these details here. So the first one is AI instructions. In the instructions type, I'm going to select it as AI agent. You can select the instruction type according to your choice and preference. Then as soon as I've selected the instruction type, the instructions are automatically added. Now over here you can add and update this instruction according to your requirement. I'm going to keep it as same only. Then we have this AI configuration. So the first one under this is temperature. So it is written set how creative the AI answer are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if we move from 0 to 1, we are going to get more creative answers. I'm going to keep it as 0.7. Then select the AI to use. I'm going to use it as OpenAI. Then in the model I'm going to select it as GPT-4o mini. And then I'm going to enter this API key. Now over here to get this API key, we have provided a help desk where we have provided this hyperlink. So I'm going to open this hyperlink of OpenAI API keys page, and I will be landed towards the API keys page of this OpenAI. So here it is. To create a new key, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. First you have to name this key. So let's say the name is test, the project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here, as I have already an existing API key, I have generated the API key which I am going to add that over here. After adding this API key, I'm simply going to click on this connect, and please make sure that to click on this connect. If you forget this, the API key will not be connected. So here OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving further, we have this AI assistant setting. So if you want to keep the header message, you have to toggle on this button and then write your header message, and then same goes for this footer message. Toggle on this button, enter your footer message, and it will start reflecting. I'm going to toggle this off. I do not require this for now. We have the stop keyword. Now if I toggle this on, I have to enter the stop keyword. I'm going to keep it as stop. I have entered the stop word and pressed on enter. So here it is written enter keyword that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. I'm going to keep the stop keyword as stop only. You can add multiple keywords here, and when someone writes that particular keyword, the AI is not going to reply to that chat further. So I'm going to keep this keyword as stop only. Then in the retry attempt, now if the AI is not able to respond, the API fails to respond, you can increase or decrease the retry attempt. So I'm going to keep it as 1. It says specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. So I'm going to toggle this off for now. In the fallback message, now when the API is not responding, this particular fallback message will be sent. So here the fallback message is I'm here to assist with question related to company information or support. If you have any question about our service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. Now if the AI is not able to respond, then this fallback message will be sent, but you can update this fallback message according to your choice and preference. You can add the company details, contact information, or the location, or anything like that. So here I'm going to keep the fallback message like this only. Then moving further, we are done with this AI instruction. We have this knowledge source next. Now in this knowledge source, I'm going to select it as upload file. I have already downloaded uploaded the knowledge base which I'm going to upload here in this knowledge source. I'm going to click on this cloud and I have already downloaded the knowledge base. So I'm going to simply select and open it. And you will see the knowledge base will be uploaded. So here it says file uploaded and proceeded successfully. Now based on this knowledge base itself, my AI agent is going to get trained and reply to all the customer inquiries. So I'm going to show you once what I have created. So here I have created this knowledge base, MindCare AI knowledge base. Then I have entered the clinic overview and the general information. Then our expert team, then the psychologist, therapist, wellness coach, appointment and consultation, then the anxiety and stress management. Then we have this depression and emotional healing. We have stress and burnout support. We have relationship and emotional wellness, self-care and mindfulness, medication and psychiatry support. Then we have this journalizing and reflection prompts, community support, emergency help crisis line. Then we have this AI chat flow keywords and the closing AI message template. So I've created a very detailed knowledge base, and you can also add your company information and the rest of the details to create this AI agent, which is helpful not only booking appointments of the doctors or the psychologist, but also help with the stress management of your patient. So in this manner, you can create your knowledge base. I'm going to go towards my AI assistant now. So over here we have uploaded the knowledge base which I have just shown you in this knowledge source. Moving on towards the next step, we have this assistant interface. So over here you can enter your business name and it will start appearing over here. And then in this subheading, you can enter this message or you can remove it. And if you want to remove it, you can do that and it will be removed from here. Then we have this initial message. So you can add two initial messages. Here I have added, hi there, how can I help you today? You can add one more message and then your AI is going to reply, but your AI is also going to reply to the questions asked, and it is not necessary that they are going to send the same initial message. So we have this display the powered by Pabbly label. If you want to keep it enable, you can do that. If you want to keep it disable, you can do that, and it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it as enable. Then we have this footer text. So I have added the footer text as privacy policy, and then I have entered the link of this footer. So we have this user first message. So I have entered I need help, and your AI agent is going to get activated, but it is not necessary that whenever you receive this I need help message only then your AI is going to reply. It is going to get triggered and start sending the messages on any message. So here we are done with this. Now moving on towards the styling. So in the styling, I have selected the theme mode as light. If you want to enter the dark, you can do that. Then we have this assistant shape. So here you can see it is circle. If you want to keep it as square, you can do that. If you want to keep it as rounded square, you can do that. You can change the assistant background color, text color, background color, buttons color, chat bubble color, then the footer text color, footer background color, and the primary chat bubble background according to your choice and preference. I'm going to keep the default settings. Then we have this header profile picture. In a very similar manner like we have uploaded the knowledge base, you can upload the header profile picture, assistant profile picture. You simply need to click on this cloud, select your file and upload that file. You can do the same to this background picture. You have to remove this and then you can upload, and this is going to get replaced with the new background. So here we are done creating this AI agent. Now we have to make sure that we keep this toggle on. If we do not keep this on, the messages won't be sent, and then we save this. If we do not save this, all this will be lost. So here you will see AI assistant saved successfully. You can even embed this AI assistant by clicking on this embed and use this code to your website, and whenever someone wants to chat, they will be redirected towards this AI agent. They can also click on the start chat and they will be redirected towards this chat, or they can scan the QR with the help of which they will be redirected towards this chat. So here we have completed this AI agent, but what if we want to activate this AI agent to a particular chat? Now on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to open the inbox. And here this is my chat. So you can see that on the right hand side we have this option of choose AI assistant. So over here this is the same chat, this is the previous chat, you can see that. So over here I'm going to toggle on this button, I'm going to select the AI assistant and then I'm going to save this. But doing this manually to each chat is a very time consuming task. So what we can do, we can create a list or we can select all the contacts and assign that particular AI assistant to a particular list or all the contacts. Now how we are going to do this? On the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to go towards the settings and then open this inbox settings. I have landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of AI auto reply. So first I'm going to disable this. And now I'm going to enable this to show you how we can do this. Now here I've created one list and we have another option of all contacts. So if suppose I select a particular list, I can assign a particular AI assistant to that particular list. I can click on this add more, select another list, or if I want to assign that particular AI assistant to all of the contacts, I can select all contacts and then select another AI assistant. Simply click on this save and that particular AI assistant will be assigned to that particular chat or a list or all the contacts. So here in this manner we can activate this. Now to check this one last time, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send the message to check whether I'm receiving any message reply or not. So here I'm going to write, I'm unable to sleep at night. Should I start my medication or do something else? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it says, I'm really sorry to hear that you have trouble sleep. It is important to address sleep issues as they can affect your overall well-being. Establish a sleep routine, create relaxing environment, limit screen time, practice mindfulness. If these strategies don't help or if your sleep issues persist, it may be worthwhile to consult a healthcare professional to discuss potential medication option. So I'm going to write, which doctor is best for me? I'm suffering from anxiety and sleep deprivation. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message. For anxiety and sleep deprivation, a psychiatrist or a clinical psychologist would be the best suited to help you. We have the psychiatrist, we have this clinical psychologist. Would you like assistance in booking an appointment with one of these professionals? So here my AI agent is working very nicely. I have added all the details and based on these details only it is replying to all my queries. So this is how we have created this AI agent. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below. We will try to resolve that and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. So I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.